There's a lot of noise around AI skills right now. Most of it won't age well. Tools change fast. If you focus on the right skills, you stay relevant, regardless of what tools emerge. The goal is not to keep up, it's to stay valuable. These are the skills that separate low leverage users from high leverage professionals. Skill 1, problem framing. AI is only as good as the problem you give it. A clear problem equals better output. Most people ask bad questions and get average answers. Skill 2, structured thinking. Breaking problems into steps instead of asking for everything at once. Input, process, output. This creates consistency. Skill 3, workflow design. Connecting multiple steps into a repeatable process. This is where leverage starts. Skill 4, system building. Turning workflows into systems that run consistently. This is how output multiplies. Skill 5, asset creation. Building reusable templates, prompts, and frameworks. Build once, use repeatedly. Most people stop at skill 1. That's why results feel inconsistent. Top performers master all 5. This is how you stay relevant. These skills can be built, but not randomly. You need a system. Next, turn your job into an AI asset. Next video will break down how to convert your current role into leverage using AI. I hope you're enjoying the series. Make sure you give us a like, leave a comment if you like, and click on the icon to subscribe. That way you'll know when the next video's coming out. Thanks for watching.